My name is Ashley. I'm married to Tom. We have been having problems in our marriage, so we went to a therapist. She recommended us to use iplus outside the sessions to record our progress as a couple, so she could give us a better diagnosis, and so we could have a better understanding of each other's point of view. When something good or bad happens between Tom and me, I have to check it in here. I go to events. There is a calendar, and right above there is a heart with a plus symbol. It is to add a new event the day I selected. Just like standard icon works. I add a title and a comment about it. I choose whether this event was positive or negative for me. I mark the importance this event had for me by sliding the bar up or down. Now I have to justify the event. This means that by selecting different icons I register my feelings about the issue, the subject of the issue, and my impression of Tom's attitude towards it. In this case I'm angry and desperate about something of our daily costumes, and I think Tom just yells at me and whines. There is another step that our therapist strongly recommended to fill, but clarified that in case there wasn't any time for it we should just mark the icons and forget the comments and descriptions. This section is to describe the interaction. We were fighting. I accused him. He ignored me. That drives me nuts, so I started to raise my voice until I was yelling. He yelled at me back, and so on. Yeah. I'm done. You see? Now it is registered. If I want to see what happened that day I just press on it. At 11:42 a.m. you registered a negative event of great importance to you related to daily costumes in which you felt angry and sad since your partner had a verbally aggressive conduct. Now I want to see my point of view according to the events I have registered. I go to the section called I. The balance shows that during the week between the 12th and the 18th of April, last week, there were 60% of positive events and 40% of negative events. Are we getting better? I want to see what happened on Monday. Oh yeah, we fought a lot because of financial issues. But I was quite happy about him cleaning the kitchen. Although he really screwed it up by trying to fix the pipes on Wednesday, when I clearly told him to get a plumber. All month we have had this sort of ups and downs about the house. Anyway, let's see another thing. Satisfaction. The therapist explained us that iplus calculates satisfaction by comparing my positive feelings versus the negative behavior I perceived from Tom during a period of time. According to the events I have registered, I'm 55% satisfied in this relationship. I was 60% satisfied last week. I'd like to check that. Let's see my emotional state during that week. How did I behave? Apparently I've been grumpy. And on Monday? All right. Oh, I haven't filled last week's satisfaction. Done. Now here is the most interesting part. I get to compare the average of my satisfaction, feelings and behavior with Tom's overall satisfaction, feelings and behavior during the day, week, month or year. This is the satisfaction perceived by me and by Tom. It is not the one calculated by iplus. I felt angry 5 days of 7, and he felt disappointed and gloomy 6 days of the week. And I behaved like an ogre while he ignored me. What else has this got? Let's see. Options is for configuration. Personalized style. Send information. Alarm. Glossary. Index. The first one allows me to choose the order of the icons. OK. The second one is to set up the automatic send of information to the therapist every range of time. It is also to create and configure the account that connects to the therapist account in www.iplus.com, so she can get all this information. I created the account. Now I should set up the alarm so I won't forget to fill the events. I would also like to add some words to each icon's meaning. Maybe later. I would most definitely like to set up the index. I would like to see in my index Tom's satisfaction and my own. For this is the most important aspect to have track on. Since the account is already created and configured, I can send the information from the index without a problem. Done. I wonder how the therapist reads this.